What is the purpose of the Certificate of Competency in Ireland? A. It acts as a temporary driving license. B. It is a certification to prove driving skills. C. It should be exchanged for a full driving license. D. It allows you to drive in other countries. Answer: C. It should be exchanged for a full driving license. If a candidate is unsatisfied with their driving test result and believes it was not conducted fairly, what can they do? A. Request a retest from the Road Safety Authority directly. B. Appeal the tester's decision to the district court. C. Complain to the local police department. D. Retake the test without appeal. Answer: B. Appeal the tester's decision to the district court. For owners of electric vehicles, what must they be familiar with regarding their vehicles? A. Only the charging procedure. B. The safe operation of charging points only. C. The location of the nearest charging station only. D. Both the charging procedure and the safe operation of charging points. Answer: D. Both the charging procedure and the safe operation of charging points. What is the minimum legal tread depth required for most vehicles? A. 1 mm. B. 1.6 mm. C. 2.0 mm. D. 3.0 mm. Answer: B. 1.6 mm. Which vehicles are exempted from the mandatory requirement of having 2 headlights, 2 side lights, and direction indicator lights at the front? A. Vehicles with a maximum speed of 45 km per hour. B. Motorcycles or electric vehicles with a maximum speed of 38 km per hour. C. Commercial vehicles. D. Hybrid vehicles. Answer: B. Motorcycles or electric vehicles with a maximum speed of 38 km per hour. What type of glass must be used for the windscreens of motor vehicles registered since January 1986? A. Tempered glass. B. Laminated glass. C. Standard glass. D. Frosted glass. Answer: B. Laminated glass. Which of the following is crucial for maintaining clear vision while driving? A. Keeping windscreen washer liquid minimal. B. Keeping the windscreen and windows clean. C. Keeping the inside mirror cluttered. D. Keeping the windscreen and windows free of clutter. Answer: B and D. Keeping the windscreen and windows clean and free of clutter. Which vehicles must have seat belts fitted if registered since the 20th of October, 2007? A. All private cars. B. All private buses. C. All heavy goods vehicles. D. All public buses. Answer: B and C. Private buses and heavy goods vehicles. What is the weight limit for children to be restrained in an appropriate child restraint system when traveling in a passenger car or goods vehicle? A. Less than 30 kilograms. B. Less than 36 kilograms. C. Less than 40 kilograms. D. Less than 50 kilograms. Answer: B. Less than 36 kilograms. In which type of vehicle can children under 3 years of age travel without being restrained in the correct child seat? A. Passenger car. B. Goods vehicle. C. Bus. D. Taxi. Answer: D. Taxi. What is the legal consequence for allowing a passenger under 17 years of age to occupy a seat without wearing a seatbelt? A. Verbal warning. B. No legal consequence. C. A fixed charge and up to 5 penalty points. D. License revocation. Answer: C. A fixed charge and up to 5 penalty points. Which of the following statements about vehicle registration plates in Ireland is correct? A. They must be kept clean and legible. B. The numbers and letters must be in plain black text on a plain white reflective background. C. They can have italics or shadows. D. They should not be interfered with. Answers: A, B, and D. When animals are traveling in a vehicle, what should be ensured? A. Animals should be left alone in vehicles. B. Animals should be left free in the vehicle. C. Animals should be securely contained using an appropriate harness or cage. D. Animals should be tied loosely in the vehicle. Answer: C. Animals should be securely contained using an appropriate harness or cage. What should you adjust your speed to after moving off when the way is clear? A. To the maximum allowed speed limit. B. To the normal, safe and legal flow of traffic. C. To a speed slower than the flow of traffic. D. To the minimum allowed speed limit. Answer: B. To the normal, safe and legal flow of traffic. Why is it important to always check over your shoulders when moving off? A. To check the vehicle's blind spots for traffic and pedestrians. B. To adjust the rearview mirror. C. To look for objects inside the vehicle. D. To look at the vehicle behind. Answer: A. To check the vehicle's blind spots for traffic and pedestrians. What should you do if you need to change your road position for overtaking, turning right or passing other road users? A. Check mirrors, check blind spots if necessary. B. Signal your intentions, and proceed when safe. C. Change your position without signaling. D. Signal your intentions only. Answer: A and B. Check mirrors, check blind spots if necessary, signal your intentions, and proceed when safe. When buses are signaling to merge back into traffic, what should you do? A. Speed up to pass the bus. B. Allow the bus back into the stream of traffic. C. Ignore the bus's signal. D. Block the bus from merging. Answer: B. Allow the bus back into the stream of traffic. How much space should you give when overtaking a cyclist in speed zones of up to 50 km per hour? A. At least 0.5 meters. B. At least 1 meter. C. At least 1.5 meters. D. At least 2 meters. Answer: B. At least 1 meter. When should you change from one traffic lane to another? A. Whenever you feel like it. B. Without any specific reason. C. When there is good reason to do so. D. When traffic is heavy. Answer: C. When there is good reason to do so. Before overtaking, what should you check? A. Your mirror and blind spots. B. Your speed and road signs. C. Ensure no vehicle is approaching from behind. D. If other vehicles are also overtaking. Answer: A and C. Your mirror, blind spots, and ensure no vehicle is approaching from behind. In normal circumstances, on which side should you overtake? A. Left. B. Right. C. Either side, depending on the situation. D. Whichever side has more space. Answer: B. Right. Can you overtake on the left-hand lane of a dual carriageway or motorway when traffic is moving at normal speed? A. Yes, always. B. Yes, but only if traffic in the right-hand lane is moving slowly. C. No, never. D. Only with proper signaling. Answer. C. No, never. What should you do when someone is overtaking you? A. Move to the right. B. Continue at the same speed. C. Slow down. D. Keep as near to the left as is safe. Answer. C and D. Continue at the same speed and keep as near to the left as is safe. What is the recommended method for parking in driveways or car parks, when possible? A. Drive in, reverse out. B. Reverse in, drive out. C. Sideways parking only. D. Parallel parking only. Answer. B. Reverse in, drive out. What should you do before making a U-turn? A. Check there are no signs prohibiting a U-turn. B. Ensure the road is one-way. C. Ensure the road is two-way. D. It completely safe to do so. Answer. A and D. Check there are no signs prohibiting a U-turn and it completely safe to do so. If you think your brake lights might not be seen or might not be working, how can you signal your intention to slow down? A. By leaving your headlights on. B. By turning on your side or parking lights. C. By moving your right arm up and down outside your vehicle window. D. By turning on hazard lights. Answer. C. By moving your right arm up and down outside your vehicle window. When is a secondary coupling not needed for towing a trailer? A. When the tow bar is strong enough. B. When the trailer is empty. C. When the trailer is equipped with a breakaway brake. D. When towing at low speeds. Answer. C. When the trailer is equipped with a breakaway brake. At night, you must drive at a speed that allows you to A. Stop within the distance illuminated by your headlights. B. Outrun the illumination of your headlights. C. Keep up with the flow of traffic regardless of visibility. D. Drive as fast as the speed limit allows. Answer. A. Stop within the distance illuminated by your headlights. Assuming good driving conditions on an unlit road, how far do the headlights of a typical car let you see? A. 30 meters. B. 50 meters. C. 100 meters. D. 200 meters. Answer. C. 100 meters. How far will dip lights typically let you see? A. 10 meters. B. 30 meters. C. 50 meters. D. 70 meters. Answer. B. 30 meters.